Topic number 7, elements of group 16, 17 and 18. In last lecture we have already studied what are p block elements. The elements in which the last electron enters into p orbital are called as p block elements, or the elements in which differentiating electron enters into p orbital are known as p block elements. In last lecture we have already studied the occurrence of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. Also we have already studied the condensed electronic configuration of group 16, 17 and 18. Now today we will have discussion on the anomalous behavior of the fluorine. We know very well fluorine is the first member of group 17 family, which is known as halogens. First member of this family is fluorine and chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. We know very well astatine is a radioactive element, and fluorine is the first member of this family. Now let us discuss about the anomalous behavior of fluorine element. We know very well fluorine is the first member of group 17 element, and it differs in properties from another members of this group. The anomalous behavior of the fluorine is due to the following reasons. What are these reasons? These reasons are: number one is small atomic size of the fluorine. Second reason is high electronegativity, means fluorine is highly electronegative. Third reason is the absence of d orbital, and fourth reason is low fluorine bond dissociation enthalpy. Now remember once again remember and listen me once again, what are the reasons to show fluorine anomalous behavior? Number one is the small atomic size. Second, high electronegativity. Third, absence of d orbital. And last one is low fluorine bond dissociation enthalpy. After that, let us discuss about the some anomalous properties of fluorine element. What are these anomalous properties? Number one is the ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electrode potential. All are higher for fluorine than expected trends shown by other halogens. Means all these properties of fluorine are high, means ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electrode potential, all these values are higher for fluorine than the other halogen members. Second, ionic and covalent radii, melting point, boiling point and electron gain enthalpy are also quite lower than the expected value. Third anomalous property of fluorine, most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic. Most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic. What is meant by exothermic? We know very well. A chemical reaction in which heat is liberated or evolved, it is known as an exothermic chemical reaction. Means most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic. The next anomalous property,
पहिलंच एक संपलं.
Fluorine forms only one oxo acid, HOF, while other halogens form a number of oxo acids. Next anomalous property, HF is a liquid while other hydrogen halides are gases. HF is a liquid and its boiling point is 293 Kelvin due to strong hydrogen bonding, but other hydrogen halides are gases. Now let us see about the chemical properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. The first property is the oxidation state. Now we have to study here what are the oxidation states of group 16 element, 17 element and 18 elements. 18 elements. Group 16 element, general electronic configuration, valence shell electronic configuration of this group is NH2NP4. They attain a noble gas configuration either by gaining 2 electrons or by sharing 2 electrons to form 2 covalent bonds. These elements shows -2 and +2 oxidation states in their compounds. In group 16, oxygen is a highly electronegative and shows common oxidation state -2 except 2 cases. What are these 2 cases? First case is the OF2 oxygen difluoride. Oxidation state of OF2, in case of OF2 oxidation state of oxygen is +2, while in peroxides oxidation state is -1. For example, hydrogen peroxide, sodium peroxide. Okay. Other elements of the 16 group shows +2, +4 and +6 oxidation states, with +4 and +6 being more common oxidation states. The stability of higher oxidation state means +6, decreases down the group, while stability of lower oxidation state means +4, okay, increases down the group. But why? It is due to the inert pair effect. Bonding in +4 and +6 oxidation states means lower oxidation state and higher oxidation state are primarily covalent. Now about group 17 elements. General electronic configuration means valence electronic configuration of group 17 elements is NH2NP5. They attain noble gas electronic configuration either by gaining 1 electron or by sharing 1 electron, forming 1 covalent bond. Valence shell electronic configuration of group 17 elements is NH2NP5. They attain noble gas electronic configuration either by gaining 1 electron or by sharing 1 electron, forming 1 covalent bond. Therefore, all halogens shows -1 oxidation state. -1 oxidation state. However, chlorine, bromine and iodine shows +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation states as well. Listen me carefully once again. All halogens shows -1 oxidation state and ClBrI shows +1, +3, +5, +7 oxidation states as well. This is because they are less electronegative than fluorine. Means fluorine is the more electronegative and possess empty d orbitals in their valence shell and therefore can expand the octet. The oxidation state +4 and +6 occur in the oxides and oxoacids of chlorine and bromine. The fluorine atom has no d orbital in its valence shell. Listen me once again. Chlorine, bromine and iodine possess empty d orbitals in their valence shell and therefore can expand the octet. But fluorine atom has no d orbital in its valence shell and therefore cannot expand its octet. Thus, fluorine being most electronegative exhibits means shows mostly -1 oxidation state. Now let us discuss about the oxidation states of group 18 elements. We know very well group 18 elements is the group of noble gas elements. They have stable valence shell electronic configuration means ns2np6, okay, with completely filled orbitals. Therefore they have no tendency to gain or lose the electron. Why? Because they have completely filled orbitals. They have stable shell valence shell electronic configuration. That is, they are zero valent and mostly exist as monoatomic gases. However, xenon has large atomic size and lower ionization energy compared to helium, neon, argon and krypton. Hence, xenon exhibits higher oxidation states. Its outermost shell has d orbitals. The paired electrons of the valence shell can be unpaired and promoted to empty d orbitals. The unpaired electrons are shared with fluorine or oxygen atoms and covalent compounds showing higher oxidation state such as xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, xenon hexafluoride, xenon trioxide and xenon oxygen fluoride are formed. This is about the oxidation state of group 18 elements. We know very well about oxidation state. Valence shell electronic configuration of group 16 is ns2np4, group 17 ns2np5, 5 and group 18 NS2 NP6. Now let us discuss about chemical reactivity towards hydrogen. Now next point is the chemical reactivity towards hydrogen. Okay, now we have to discuss here what is the chemical reactions of group 16 elements, 17 elements and 18 elements with hydrogen. Now let us see first about group 16 elements. Elements of group 16 reacts with hydrogen to form hydrides of type H2E, where E represents the 16 group elements, means oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, etc. H2E, E means any element of the group 16. Example, H2O, water, H2S, H2SE means hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen selenium, hydrogen tellurium and hydrogen polonium means water, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen selenide, etc. Water. It is colorless, odorless liquid. And H2S, H2SE, H2TE and H2PO are colorless, bad smelling, poisonous gases at ambient conditions. Structure. Next, structure. What is about structure? All hydrides of group 16 elements have angular structure. It involves sp3 hybridization of the central atom. Hydrides of group 16 elements are weakly acidic in nature, where acidic character increases while the thermal stability decreases from water to H2TE. This is due to decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy. Here, in case of group 16 elements, all hydrides except water possess reducing property, which increases in the order H2S is less than H2SE and H2SE is less than H2TE. This is the reducing property order of group 16 elements. This is about chemical reactivity towards the hydrogen of group 16 elements. Means elements of group 16 react with hydrogen to form hydrides of the type H2E, where E means any element of group 16. Means it may be oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. We know very well H2O is colorless, odorless liquid, and H2S, H2SE, H2TE, H2PO are colorless, bad smelling, poisonous gases at ambient conditions. And we have already studied about the structure. All hydrides have angular structure and it involves sp3 hybridization of central atom.